Selamat datang di video bimbingan karir perhotelan. Saat ini, kita akan belajar bagaimana cara check-in di sebuah front office hotel. Mari kita simak video berikut. Front office adalah tempat pertama yang dikunjungi oleh tamu. Di sini, petugas menerima tamu, memproses kedatangan, dan memberikan informasi tentang layanan hotel. Langkah pertama adalah menyambut tamu dengan sopan dan ramah.
Good morning, welcome to Editor Hotel. May I help you?
Good morning. Check it please. I made reservation yesterday.
Alright, may I know your name please?
Erisa.
Alright, wait a minute, let me check it first. Alright.
Petugas memeriksa data dan menyesuaikan nama atau kode booking.
Let me confirmation your reservation before. Your name is Erisa, and you
Yes.
have booked one deluxe room for one person, and your special request is non-smoking rooms, and your phone number is 081234567889, and the rate of the room is $600 US. Is that correct, miss?
Yeah, correct.
Identitas diperlukan untuk verifikasi dan keperluan administrasi.
Alright, may I have your ID card, please?
Oh, sure. Wait. Use my ID.
Alright, wait a minute. Alright, thank you for your ID card. May I have your cash receipt? May I have your payment method?
Yeah. Can I pay with a debit, please?
Yes, you can. Alright. You must pay for 3 nights, so the total is $1,600 US. Is that alright?
Yes.
Alright, wait a minute. Alright, this is your receipt, and this is your cash receipt. This is your card receipt, and can you sign in here, please?
Are you sure? Very good. Here.
Alright, thank you, miss.
Petugas menjelaskan detail kamar, lokasi, dan juga waktu sarapan.
Let me explain about our hotel facility. If you need some food, you can get it in our restaurant. The restaurant name of restaurant is Seafood Restaurant. It is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day. And we also have a pool completed in gyms. It is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day. And please enjoy it whenever you want. If you bring any valuable thing, you can save it in our saving box. It is available in our receptions.
Okay.
And if you check out before 12 p.m., our hotel will charge you. And this is your breakfast coupon. You can eat in our restaurant from 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. And this is your pool card. You can eat in our swimming pool and get a towels in here.
Terakhir, petugas memberikan kunci dan mengucapkan selamat hari libur.
This is your room card. Your room is 306 and it is on the 3rd floor. I think that's all I can tell. If you have any question or any help, you can call us. Don't hesitate to call us and have a nice day.
Selalu gunakan bahasa tubuh yang ramah, perhatikan grooming, dan dengarkan apa yang dibutuhkan oleh tamu.
Okay. Is there any bellboy here?
Our bellboy is not available in here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
It's okay.
you. I'm really
Thank you.
sorry.